Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have a special treat for you and the interior of your car. Today I will show you how to take plastic pieces from the central command console and wrap them in the PPF wrapping foil. Stay tuned and I will show you my way of doing the protective process. This process, we will need a transfer foil, a bottle with alcohol solution here. We have a 10% alcohol and 90% distilled water. PPF foil that you see here does not stick by using water. It does require a certain percentage of alcohol. What we also need is a soft squeegee to apply everything, as well as a precision knife. Also, we will need a waterproof precision marker. The parts that you plan to wrap need to look like this. What I mean is they already have to be finished, polished, cleaned off, degreased, and ready for the application of the PPF foil. It grabs the surface well. So let's begin, boys and girls. First, we will start with the flat part, and then we will move to slightly curved one, which is a more demanding task. So first, take a piece of transfer foil, put it against the piece of plastic that you intend to wrap, and cut off about the similar size to the plastic part. But not less. You don't want to cut less, it's going to be smaller. Now, take this piece of transfer foil and stick it to the plastic itself, just so it holds on it. Because the plan is to make a mold. The foil itself should not go over the edge of the plastic. The way I do this process is that I use my permanent precision marker and put 4 dots on the outskirts of the plastic part, like this. I simply take a ruler and connect the 4 dots, like so. Once you're finished, all you have to do is unstick the foil. And what you get here is the outline of the part that you want to wrap. So now you take a piece of PPF wrap, and also you want to use a ruler to maybe mark out a certain segment of it to cut it out, because you will not use the entirety of it for this one little piece. Transfer the mold onto your PPF wrap and cut out the outlines. Once you finish cutting, remove the transfer foil, and what you get is the part you will be sticking on the plastic bit. You can see here now we have a piece of PPF wrap that will fit over the flat plastic bit. And the wrap does not go over the edge of the plastic flat bit. What we will do now is take the microfiber cloth and wipe off the part of any sort of dust residue. After that, we will take our alcohol distilled water mix, which is located in this bottle, and spray it all over the plastic piece as well as on our hands to prevent any adhesion of dust particles. Also, apply liberally on the PPF wrap. Once you've done that, remove the protective layer on the PPF wrap, thus exposing the stick. Once you've done that, again apply the alcohol mix and align it on the plastic part. Do not stick the part on immediately, use some time to align it properly. Now you take the soft squeegee and go from the middle to the outside to press out the air from under the wrap. And then repeat the process a few times to get the wanted result. Now we will take an ordinary hairdryer to activate the glue, like so. So now let's just take our squeegee for a little bit more and squeeze out the air just to be sure that it's out. And in the meantime, let's move on to the curved part, which is more challenging. So again, we take the transfer foil, put it on the part, outline it, cut it out. Basically, we do the same steps as we did before on the flat part, but only use it on the curved. Like you see here, we will take the alcoholic mix, apply it to the part itself to get it moist so it can receive the PPF wrap. We will also clean our hands again to prevent any dust gathering on them. Apply some on the PPF wrap as well, so we can align properly before sticking. Now take the protective layer off, and before applying, take the alcohol again, apply it to the sticky part of the wrap. Make sure to moisten everything up just in case, and slowly apply the PPF wrap on the plastic bit without sticking it immediately, taking your time to align it properly, like so. Because this is a curved part, we have to take extra care and take a little bit more time to make sure that everything aligns correctly, especially around the holes, which is of course followed by a soft squeegee to squeeze the air out, like so. Wipe it off properly, take the hairdryer, dry it on, and look at what we got. It is wonderfully looking. It's stuck perfectly. The light reflects. However, there is a little spot here, but this is not our doing. This part had some imperfections in it, caused by maybe a metallic part. A minor damage, we'll see. Yeah. But the results are more than favorable. You do not really see the protective layer on there because it's perfectly glued. So, boys and girls, thank you for watching our video. As always, hit that like button. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, share to your friends, family, and everyone you know. And make sure to hit that bell icon to get the notifications first. But before we go, just look at this. Our testing lamp reveals how perfect this work is. This is ready to be put in a very expensive car. And we increase the durability of the plastic now because it is protected. So now you can use your sharp nails and keys and pets to walk all over it and preserve it at the same time. Perfect. Boys and girls, stay safe, and until next time, goodbye.